Welcome to the basics of adding servers on Minecraft for Xbox. Let's start with what you need to know about the platform restrictions. Unfortunately, directly adding custom servers to the standard Minecraft on Xbox Bedrock Edition isn't a built-in feature due to platform restrictions. However, there's a well-established workaround using specific DNS server settings. This method effectively redirects your Minecraft traffic through a server list, allowing you to join community servers. Important note, this method is not officially supported by Microsoft or Mojang, so use it at your own discretion. It is generally safe, but it's always wise to be aware of potential risks when modifying network settings. Also, this only applies to the Bedrock edition of Minecraft. First, go to your Xbox settings, navigate to Network, then Network Settings, and finally, Advanced Settings. Select DNS Settings and then Manual. You'll need to enter a primary and secondary DNS server address. One popular and commonly used DNS server is provided by PocketMine MP. Input the primary DNS server as 104.238.132.182 and the secondary DNS server as 8.8.8.8 or 1.11.1. Save these settings and restart your Xbox. Now launch Minecraft, go to the Servers tab, and you should see custom servers available. Selecting one will attempt to connect you to that server. Keep in mind that server availability and stability can vary greatly. If you experience issues, double-check the DNS settings, ensure your internet connection is stable, and try a different server from the list.